As per the previous part of the series continuation of connecting an electromagnetic lock with a standalone access controller and an exit switch, in this video, we show how to add and delete RFID card users in this access controller. Before starting to add users, first understand the programming mode on this controller. When you press the star button, the red LED will start to blink faster, indicating that you are entering the programming mode. Press the star button again, and the LED will flash slowly, indicating the access control mode. Now, let's start the process of adding users using RFID cards. Press the star button to enter the programming mode, the red LED will flash faster. Then enter 9999 as the default controller password, followed by the hash button to enter the controller's menu. The green LED will flash when entering the menu. When you are in the menu, press 2 followed by the hash button to add users' RFID cards one by one. Show your user's RFID card to the controller. You will hear 2 short beep sounds, then input the user ID for that card, followed by the hash button. For example, if the user ID is 0002, then hash, you will hear 2 short beep sounds. It means the card has been added successfully. If you hear a long beep sound, it means the card is already enrolled or the user ID exists. To continue adding another user, show the RFID card to the controller, then enter the user ID followed by the hash button. You will hear 2 short beep sounds to confirm that the user has been added successfully. You can continue to add users in this manner for others as well. Note, the user ID must be a 4-digit number and can range from 0, 0, 0, 1 to 9999. Now, the enrolled user's RFID card has access to open the door. When you present this card to the controller, it will recognize it and unlock the door. The RFID card that has not been added or enrolled will not have permission to open the door. You will hear a long beep sound if the card is not authorized. In this section, we will show how to delete a user and their RFID card. There are 2 methods for deleting a user, with the RFID card and without the RFID card. To enter the programming menu, press the star button, then input the password, and follow it with the hash button. To delete a user card via the menu, press 4 followed by the hash button. Now, show the RFID cards you want to delete one by one on the controller. You will hear 2 short beep sounds to confirm the deletion. Afterward, press the star button to exit programming mode. The deleted user will no longer have access. This time to delete the user ID 0003 without using an RFID card. To delete users using their ID, first enter the programming menu by pressing the star button, input the password, and press the hash button. Next, press 5 followed by the hash button to access the user deletion function. Enter the user ID you wish to delete and press the hash button. You will hear 2 short beep sounds to confirm the deletion. Finally, press the star button to exit programming mode. The deleted cards will no longer have permission to unlock the door or be authorized for access. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more like this, please encourage us by liking and sharing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you.